Welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial feature on Instagram that can help you stay connected with friends and new people. Message requests. If you've been missing out on important messages from users you don't follow, this new update for PC makes it easier than ever to manage those requests. Let's walk through the simple steps to show message requests on Instagram from your computer. First, open Instagram on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Next, click on the More icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines located at the bottom left corner. This will expand additional options for you to choose from. Now, proceed to Settings. Clicking this will take you to a new page filled with various account options. Here, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Hidden Words. This is where you can manage your message requests and filter out unwanted messages. In the Hidden Words section, locate the option that says Disable Hide Message Requests. By toggling this option off, you will ensure that all message requests are visible in your inbox. This means that any messages from users who aren't following you will now appear in your message requests folder. Once you've disabled this setting, you're all set. You can now easily check for any incoming message requests without missing out on potential conversations. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're looking to connect with new people, or if you run a business and want to engage with customers who might reach out via direct messages. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled message requests on Instagram using your PC. Now, enjoy seamless communication without worrying about overlooking important messages. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends and keep exploring all the features Instagram has to offer.